if you want to clear paper jam, you have to make sure that bring a large size of flat screwdriver. You have to get flat screwdriver, and from that area, our technician Shankar Malhotra, he will lift these all. No, not from here. I already mentioned. No, no, from not that. This one. Okay, you have to lift from here because don't remove this plug. Okay, now you have to see. You have to look at these every path also. One by one lift. Lift forcefully, my friend. No, no, no. It's not so this way. Hold the camera. I tell you how to check. Look, you have to see the paper jam. You have to lift this up like this. Okay. Then you have to lift one by one. Nothing clear. And also from here, nothing clear. Clear. Okay, there is nothing here. So it means that paper path is clear. So now you telling me before paper was getting jam on the on one side. Okay, now it will not jam. Connect it again. Connect this scanner. Yeah. Connect everything carefully, and then we will check back again. If I want to introduce some new technicians with us, we have Shankar Malhotra, Shahzad from Pakistan. We have Fahad here. Yeah, here Fahad from Yemen. A very famous guy. Yeah, this is owner of that project. This is a new project they're working here. Yeah. So it's little critical if you want to fix the cables. So you must have to fix everything correct. No, we have to fix like this from that area first. Okay. He didn't remove this. 1 second. You have to remove this also. Okay, now fix back the cables. I mentioned many times in my videos how to disassemble this printer. In most cases, if you are getting paper jam and error, no need to disassemble completely. Just we have to lift these paper paths to make sure that. So now we will connect the power. Shankar will connect the power and we will see how it's working right now. We need a plain paper, one paper here. Turn on, and we have to close this cover also. Okay, Shankar, you know what? You have to, yeah, fix this well. But this is a front door sensor. Okay. So now, no, hold on. It will take automatic. Okay, it's feeding. Okay, we have to remove the power. Paper is getting stuck from that side. Okay, Shankar, give me small flat screwdriver for laptops. So actually, what is happening? We will see now. No, small for laptops. Flat. Okay, no problem. I will use this. Hold the camera. Hold the camera, and you can see, Shankar, this is paper is feeding from that side. It's not feeding from here. So might be there is something I couldn't see. Hold on. Okay, Shankar, focus on that side. Okay, there is some plastic paper there. Okay, there is some plastic on that area. I will push, and it's you can see now. Okay, this was inside. Okay, guys, you can see this was we found inside the paper path. So no need to disassemble any kind of Canon printer. This guy technician first time he disassembled it, but how many times I told you, whenever you are getting paper jam error, no need to disassemble. Just clear the paper path with the flat screwdriver, and look, now we found this. This was inside. Yeah. Now if we will connect the power, and So this was the method to clear the paper jam. In rare cases, we need to disassemble the complete printer. Okay. It will take, hold on. Now you can see it's feeding the paper. So anything you will say, Mr. Shankar? If anything you want to say about me?
Yeah.
What?
You are a good technician in the market.
Yeah, good. All the best.
Thank you. I'm getting late and now I'm going. It's just I have 10 more minutes.
Any solution you want, call
Bilal's workshop.
workshop.
Bilal
Yeah.
workshop.
Is a good workshop.